This easy 3D crochet poppy flower looks full, layered, and realistic, perfect for bouquets, home decor, or handmade gifts. It looks detailed at first, but don't worry. This poppy is beginner-friendly and easier than it looks. For this flower, I'm using cotton yarn and a 2.5mm crochet hook. Simple materials, but the result looks beautiful. The full 3D shape starts with a simple magic ring. Start with chain 3, then work 6 treble crochet stitches into the magic ring. After that, chain 3, and slip stitch into the ring. Keep going with the same rhythm. Try to keep your tension even, so the flower opens nicely. Now continue with the same repeat. Chain 3, work your treble crochet stitches, chain 3 again, and slip stitch into the ring. Take your time here. This first layer creates the base for our poppy petals. Once these sections are complete, we'll build the hidden back layer that gives the flower its 3D look. Repeat the same stitch sequence inside the magic ring. We'll make this section 4 times in total. So for each section, chain 3, make 6 treble crochet stitches, chain 3 again, and finish with a slip stitch into the ring. Repeat this until you have 4 petal sections. After the last petal section, chain 3, then slip stitch into the magic ring. And that completes this round. Chain 1. Now we'll move to the back side of the flower. On the first petal group, find one of the center treble crochet stitches. Insert your hook through the inner back side, and make a slip stitch. This is where the 3D layer begins. Now chain 6. Move to the next petal group. From the back side, find one of the center treble crochet stitches. Then make a slip stitch there. Nice! This creates one hidden chain space. Chain 6 again. Go to the next petal group and slip stitch behind one of the center treble crochet stitches. Keep these chain spaces on the back side of the flower. Continue like this until you have 4 chain spaces, all sitting neatly around the back of the flower. These hidden spaces will hold the larger 3D petals. Continue working around the back in the same way. These little chain spaces may look simple, but they're the secret to that full 3D flower shape. The next layer of petals will sit right on these spaces. So far, we have 3 chain spaces. We need 1 more to complete the back layer. Chain 6 one more time. Then slip stitch into the top of the first slip stitch. And we're done with this round. Now, the hidden base for our 3D petals is ready. Move into the first chain space and make a slip stitch. Chain 4. This time, we'll work into each chain space. Make 10 double treble crochet stitches, then chain 4, and finish with a slip stitch. These taller stitches create the larger 3D petals. Keep working slowly into the same chain space. These stitches are tall, so don't rush them. Keep your tension relaxed, and let the petal open naturally. This is what gives the poppy its full shape. After chain 4, we now have 10 double treble crochet stitches in the first chain space, so the first large petal is complete. Chain 4 again. Now slip stitch into the same chain space. This closes the petal neatly. Move to the next chain space and make a slip stitch to anchor your yarn there. Now repeat the same steps in the other 3 chain spaces. We're building this second layer all the way around the flower. So the repeat is Chain 4, make 10 double treble crochet stitches, chain 4 again, then slip stitch into the same space. Keep repeating this all the way around. Keep going with the same repeat. As each petal grows, you'll start to see the flower becoming fuller and more dimensional. If your stitches feel tight, loosen your tension just a little. That will help the petals open up beautifully. Now we have 4 large petals. After the last 10 double treble crochet stitches, chain 4. Slip stitch into the same chain space, then chain 1, and cut the yarn. Perfect! The red flower petals are finished. Pull the magic ring tail to tighten the center. Then weave both yarn tails through the stitches on the backside. This keeps the flower clean and secure. The red flower base is ready now. You can already see how full the petals look. Next, we'll add the black center detail, and that's what gives this poppy its realistic look. After creating the poppy petals like this, we'll use black yarn to make the center detail. This small piece brings the whole flower to life. Start with a magic ring. Chain 4. Then slip stitch into the magic ring. Repeat this same step into the ring. 7 times in total. So we'll make chain 4, then a slip stitch. Repeat this 7 times to fill the center of the ring. Keep repeating the same motion. Chain 4 and slip stitch into the ring. As you fill the ring, the center will start to look textured, just like the middle of a real poppy flower. After the last slip stitch, chain 1, then cut the yarn. Now hide the magic ring tail and the ending tail on the back side of the centerpiece. This keeps it neat before we attach it. The black center detail is ready. Now place it right in the middle of the red flower. You can already see how much more realistic it looks. That tiny contrast makes a big difference. You can attach this small black piece right to the center of the red flower. You can sew it on or glue it in place. Choose the method that feels easiest for you. I'm using craft glue here. Nice and simple. Place the black center carefully and press it gently so it sits flat. Make sure it stays right in the middle. Perfect. Now the poppy has that bold, realistic center. For the flower stem, I wrapped a wooden skewer with green yarn. It's a simple way to create a firm, clean stem. Now attach the stem to the back of the flower. Place it wherever it sits best for your design. Then press it gently and let the glue set. Hold the stem in place for a moment so everything stays secure. And there we go. Now it looks like a real handmade poppy, perfect for a bouquet, a vase, or home decor. After attaching the stem, our 3D crochet poppy flower is complete. Look how full and beautiful those layered petals turned out. Before you go, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and tell me in the comments how you would use this poppy flower. Would you make it for a bouquet? Or for home decor? See you in the next crochet tutorial. Take care, my friends, and happy crocheting!